Hi guys, welcome to Virgo Philippines. This is for Virgo single. So start na po natin ang reading. We have here as your main energy is the Five of Cups and the High Priestess. I feel like for some of you, you are really feeling down right now. Kumbaga hindi ka okay. Pwedeng financially or pwedeng for some of you, financially, okay naman eh. For what I can see here kasi dito sa iyong finances maraming opportunity ang dumadating sa iyo with the star right here. For some of you, although dumadating yung mga opportunity na ito, maaaring tinatakbuhan mo. Kasi natatakot ka dahil hindi mo linya yan eh. Hindi ikaw yan eh. Pero for what I can see here, malaki ang pagbabago or malaki ang maitutulong sa inyo niyan pagdating sa future. But the problem is, ikaw tong lumalayo, ikaw tong umaalis, ikaw tong hindi nagbibigay. I feel like with the High Priestess right here, okay? So, ganyan po siya, nakahiga po siya and hindi siya nakatayo. You're not following etong mga ibinibigay ng, I feel like yung ano mo, yung spirit guides mo. You're not parang embracing whatever they are giving to you, opportunity, whatever it is na pinagdadasal mo, pero ayan na, ibinigay sa'yo. Ito yung sinasabing ang Diyos, pag humiling ka, ibibigay sa'yo. Pero hindi yung kusang kamay niya ibibigay sa'yo. Maaaring ipapadaan niya yan sa ibang tao. But the problem right here is that hindi mo kinukuha ito. You're missing a lot of opportunity. This is the Chariot, Cancer energy. Inaalisan mo ito kung ano man ito. So if it has something to do with money, I feel like there's a lot of opportunity na nakalatag sa'yo. For some of you, pwedeng plano, offer, whatsoever, na nandyan lang sa harapan mo, ibinibigay na sa'yo, pero ikaw tong lumalayo, umaalis, dahil nasa iba yung isip mo. Parang hindi yan para sa akin, hindi ko kaya yan, whatsoever, etc. etc. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? I feel like I need to see this bottom of the deck. We have here new love. But then the new love is in reverse. So, i-read ko siya ng reversal. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo, this is new love. Ibig sabihin, pagbabago. You have to look at this. Kailangan mong tignan itong pagbabagong ito sa buhay mo. Okay? Kung ano yung mga nandyan na, nakalatag na sa'yo, yun ang tignan mo. Hindi yung kung ano yung wala pa. For some of you, you're asking a lot. Pero hindi naman yun yung para sa'yo. Hindi naman yun yung ibinibigay sa'yo. For what I can see here with the Hermit, for some of you, you're trying to be yourself. Okay? Kung saan ka magaling. Kung saan ka okay. Ganyan. Pero no, maaaring kasing hindi yan yung plano para sa'yo. Maaaring dyan ka magaling, ibinigay sa'yo yan minsan para malaman mo kung ano yung tamis. Kumbaga, I see someone sweet, something sweet here. Nang, mas mararamdaman mo yung tamis ng pagbabago sa sarili mo kung tatanggapin mo yung mga opportunity na bago para sa'yo. I feel like there's a lot of it. Whether new love, I see a new love right here. Mas mararamdaman mo yun eh. Baga, oo, ibinigay sa'yo yan, ipinatikim. Dahil hindi mo malalaman ang difference ng sabihin nating bago at yung luma kung hindi mo matitikman muna yung luma. Okay? Sabihin na natin sa pamumuhay, hindi ka okay ngayon. Dahil natikman mo itong luma na ito. Pero may ibinibigay sa yung bago ngayon. Pero gusto mong bumalik dun sa luma at gusto mong mas mag-bloom itong luma na ito. Pero hindi na, dahil wala na. Ang ibinibigay sa'yo yung bago, kaya lang hindi mo tinitignan. Dahil feeling mo, hindi mo gusto. Or hindi iyon para sa'yo. For what I can see here, napakatamis po ito. With the honeymoon right here. Yeah, what is honeymoon? Honeymoon is sweet. Honeymoon is something na passionate. Na hindi mo alam na you are passionable dun pala sa stuff na yun or sa bagay na yun, magaling ka pala dun, itinatagong talent yun, but then, hindi mo ina-appreciate or hindi mo tinatanggap. So, whatever it is na ino-offer sa'yo or nakalatag sa harapan mo, hindi mo tinatanggap. I would like to give an example. For some of you, pwedeng your friends are telling you na, why not try live selling? Why not try selling online instead of working? I would like to give that as an example. But then, ikaw sa sarili mo, for some of you, might be due to pandemic, nawalan ka ng trabaho. But then, no, I'd like to work. I am not good at selling stuff. But then, you have a lot of resources. You have Wi-Fi. You have friends na pwedeng mag-avail ng products mo. You have a lot of savings na makakapag-produce ng mga pangangailangan mo, but then you are afraid of this opportunity. Yun yung nangyayari dito. Pero hindi mo alam, mas masarap yung maibibigay sa'yo nun. Mas masarap yung maihahain mo sa lamesa mo kung tatanggapin mo yun. Okay? Kasi this is choose love. But then you're not choosing the one you love. This is what you love pero hindi mo pa alam dahil hindi mo pa tinatry. Nandito ka pa lang sa stage na pagkakakilanlan or kikilalanin mo itong bagay na ito, but then umaalis ka na with the chariot right here, and the ending is like nagfo-focus ka ngayon sa mga wala ka, which is hindi mo naman makukuha kung hindi mo tatanggapin. You are well focused on your emotion, but not dito sa mga ibinibigay sa iyo with the Hierophant, the high priest, the high priestess. The high priestess is someone na parang guided by their spirit guides, but then mas nasusunod pa rin yung kanilang free will. Alam mo yon? We all have spirit guides, but then you choose to follow your free will or yung tingin mong parang okay para sa'yo. The problem is you. Dahil yung mga dasal mo ibinibigay na sa'yo pero ikaw ang may problema. Yun ang nakikita ko dyan. With the 9 of Cups, you're counting your achievements, yung mga kaya mo pang, I feel like, it's 9 of Cups. You feel like, okay na ako dito, okay na ako ganyan, basta magka-work ako, okay na ako ganyan. No. 8 of Cups. You have better opportunity ahead of you. May mas magagawa ka pa. May mas maibibigay ka pa. Pero you're afraid of it. Takot ka. Napanghihinaan ka ng loob. Napakabagal mong kumilos. I'm sorry to say, but I'm being real right now. Hindi okay yon na nandyan na yung opportunity pero ikaw naglalakad ka. Yung opportunity mo tumatakbo, hindi mo hinahabol. I'm sorry but I want you to feel this. What I am saying right now is for you. Kung gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo, baguhin mo ang prinsipyo mo. Yun lang yun. Dahil kung hindi mo babaguhin ang prinsipyo mo, marami kang opportunity na mabalalagpasan. 9 of Pentacles is opportunity. You have both 9 right here. You have the ability, you have the resources. But 9, hindi siya nagiging 10 kasi hindi mo ginagawang 10. I don't know if you're getting what I mean. Pero ang ibig ko sabihin dito, kumpleto ka naman ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo para i-push forward kung ano man yung mga opportunity na inilalaan para sa'yo. Dahil hindi naman ibibigay sa'yo yung opportunity na yan kung hindi mo talaga kayang i-handle. Pero ikaw, mas ginagamit mo kasi yung emotion mo and hindi yung utak mo. Huwag kang walang pakialam yung ibang tao sa'yo. Use your hermit. Hermit mode right here is the one na walang pakialam sa mundo or walang pakialam dito sa mga tao sa palibot niya. Mas gusto niya mag-isa. Ibig sabihin, huwag mong pakialaman kung ano yung sinasabi ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kung halimbawa, dinadown ka nila, no. You have to stay positive. I would like to get more cards for you. Short reading for your love life. Hello, Virgo single. So this is for your love life. By the way, this would not resonate to everyone. Pero for what I can see here, We have here spiritual connection. Possible na you are dealing with your soulmate or there's someone na, hindi mo alam. Pero meron palang taong concern or nagmamahal sa'yo right here. This is your soulmate. Hindi ito para sa lahat I see 30% of Virgo only would resonate to this. For some of you, I feel a Virgo na walang love life na pumapalibot sa kanya kasi masyado siyang close sa sarili niya. Kumbaga, hermit mode and masyadong introvert. Yeah. Yun yung ibang Virgo na nakukuha ko. Pero dun sa ibang Virgo na nakukuha ko, medyo mga 30% lang po ng Virgo na nakukuha ko dito. Na there's someone waiting here. This person is like, can you see this card? This is Temperance. And Sagittarius energy here. We also have Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pero wag niyong pagbasihan yon. Energy lang po yon, hindi yung mismong sign ng person mo. For what I can see here, this person is waiting. Saan siya naghihintay? Dito sa heart-to-heart conversation na ito. Sa pag-uusap na ito, kailangan nyo ng pag-uusap kung saan aaminin nyo sa isa't isa yung emotion nyo. Or for some of you, this is, can you feel the energy? I would like to tell you what I can see here. Atong Temperance na to, this is someone from the, if you're playing basketball, ito yung nandun sa, ang tawag dito, nasa bangko. I hope you get what I mean. Siya yung waiting sa turn niya para makapag-play. But then this person is waiting for his or her turn. Okay? Maaaring hindi pa nagkakaroon ng relasyon para sa inyo dahil wala pang nangyayaring conversation sa inyo. Maaaring hindi pa nagre-reach out itong person na ito, whoever itong kailangan mag-reach out dito. Okay? Pwedeng walang conversation, walang pag-uusap, or walang connection at all. Pero there's someone waiting here. With the Magician, I feel like someone here is having this pagsisinungaling sa sarili, or if not sa sarili, sa taong to. For some of you, you have a connection already pero hindi ka nagsasabi na totoo. Hindi mo sinasabi sa kanya yung totoong gusto mo sabihin. Kaya you're single. Maaaring ikaw tong kailangan mag-initiate nitong heart-to-heart conversation and your person is waiting, but then you choose to just, I don't know, lokohin yung sarili mo or lokohin itong person ito, saying na parang, hindi ko mahal yon, hindi pwede. But with the spiritual connection and with the Page of Cups, this is someone na hindi mo kayang mawala sa buhay mo. Dahil pag nawala siya, hindi ka makukompleto sa sarili mo. High soulmate connection po. I feel it with this card, with the Page of Cups. I feel like this person is someone who is really special. Pwedeng itong person na ito alam niya na yung sarili niya na hindi niya kayang mawala ka. And so, he or she is waiting. Andito siya sa waiting stage. But the problem is, I feel like walang conversation kasi kulang ang communication. Sobrang kulang. So what is the advice for your love life? Okay, we have here love yourself first, getting to know each other. This could be the one. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Kung ano yung mga kulang sa'yo, whether financial, freedom, whatsoever, na alam mong kakulangan mo pa, ay ipunin mo muna or gawin mo muna sa sarili mo. Dahil I can see na meron ka pang pagkukulang dito. Okay? And with the getting to know each other, magdi-deeper yung level ng commitment nyo. Once you reveal something, innermost, I feel like you are the one who needs to reveal something. Pero take what resonates, ha? Kung sino itong hindi nakikipag-communicate dito ng maayos, siya yung kailangan makipag, para mag-push. Hindi nagpo-push eh. And this could be the one. Siya na nga. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. Or your next relationship. Hindi ako magsasabi kung siya na nga or I mean, kung siya na talaga. Pero if this is a soulmate connection, of course, siya na nga. But the problem is for some of you, only 30% of Virgo kasi ang siya na nga. Or kumbaga siya na yung soulmate mo. And the other percent is parang next relationship lang. Ganon. So, that's it for now, Virgo. I hope nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And dito sa Virgo Philippines, ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng yan, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.